factoring simple trinomials, it's the opposite of expanding binomials using FOIL. So let's take a look at an example of expanding a binomial using FOIL to see what we can extract from there to factor these. I have x plus 2 and x plus 3. When we multiplied that out, we got x times x, which was x squared. 2 times x was 2x. X times 3, which is 3x, and 2 plus 3, or 2 times 3, which was 6. And then we added those 2 and 3 together to get 5. So this 5 was made up of 2 plus 3, and the 6 was made up of 2 times 3. Those two numbers up here. So using that information, we need to find two numbers that add to this middle number and multiply to this last number to go backwards. That's what we'll do in these examples here. We're going to find two numbers that add to 11 and multiply to 10. Well, some numbers that multiply to 10 are probably going to be easier to find. There's only a few of them. 1 and 10, 2 and 5. And if we take those and take a look, which ones add to 11? Well, 1 and 10 add to 11. That's the pair of numbers I'm looking for in order to solve this. So my solution is going to look similar to this one here. Both brackets are going to start with an x, and then I just put in the plus 1 and the plus 10 as the numbers. I can write this in the opposite order. I could write x plus 10 and x plus 1 as well. That would be the same answer. In B, with the same idea, except we have a negative 8x and a plus 16, we're going to find two numbers that multiply to that n number and add to that middle number. Also, numbers that multiply to 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. Now, none of those add up to negative 8. But if we were to make this negative 4 and negative 4, negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. And that would be the pair of numbers we're going to use. So I set up my brackets, put an x at the start of each one, and then I write my minus 4s inside the 2. In our last one, we have x squared plus 2x minus 15. So find two numbers that add to 2, multiply to negative 15. So some numbers that multiply to 15 are 1 and 15, and 3 and 5. Now we need negative 15, so one of the numbers has to be negative. Well, if I try positive 3 and negative 5, that doesn't get me positive 2, that gets me negative 2. So those aren't going to work. But what if I try negative 3 and positive 5? Well, negative 3 plus 5 would give me positive 2. That's the pair of numbers I need to use. So x and x in each bracket, and then I have minus 3 and plus 5.